How to set up PlayStation HDR settings. To set up PlayStation HDR settings, first of all, go ahead and prepare your hardware pipeline. Here's the right port and also enable the HDMI deep color on your TV or monitor. And also make sure to turn on the game mode. Once you turn all these features on, you simply have to now enable and calibrate the HDR on your console. Open the video settings on your console by selecting the setting gear icon on the top right corner. Then navigate to the video output. You should be able to find the HDR option over there. Go ahead and make sure to turn this feature on. Then click on the Adjust HDR right below the toggle. This launches the official 3-step Sony calibration utility. And then proceed to complete the 3-step wizard. Now you simply have to enable it from the settings once again and adjust it as well. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.